How to log in to Google Earth application. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Google Earth application on your device, and just in case, if you don't have the Google Earth application, then you can simply go ahead and download the application from your app store. Now, once you have opened the Google Earth application, on the top search bar, you will see a profile-like icon. So tap on the profile-like icon you see there, and you will then see the option for add another account. So tap on the add another account option you see there, and you will then be required to tap on the continue button you see there. So tap on the continue button and additionally go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is, your email ID and your password related to your Google account, and then go ahead and tap on the continue button. You might then be required to enter a verification code or enter your passkey, so go ahead and do the required process in order to complete the verification purpose, and once completed, you will be successfully logged in to Google Earth application. So this was about how you can log in to Google Earth application. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.